I would say there's a number of factors that we found now where students really thrive. One, intellectual curiosity, and especially a curiosity about what makes the world and consumers especially, what makes them tick. That passion to understand consumers. Secondly, a clear interest in marketing and marketing related fields. That would be branding, retail marketing, so that area, digital or social media marketing, and then client service and market research and insights and providing that information to client organizations. Those are career tracks we've seen our students go into. So a passion for a marketing degree. Next, they like to work in teams and be a creative thought leader and member of a team. And that's the way the world works today anyway in business. Cross-functional teams that are just really working together to solve issues. So you like to work in teams. Finally, somebody that's looking to build their presentation, communication, and telling a story with data skills. Those kinds of students have been very successful in our program. In addition, we have students that come from multiple undergraduate disciplines, including, in fact, we've had, in our last cohort, we had 11 different undergraduate majors represented in our cohort from 7 different universities. So we really look for that diversity of thought in the program.